Now let's understand what are the responsibilities of a stockbroker. First is security. A stockbroker should guide the investors about what securities they are dealing into. They should specify whether it's equity or debt or mutual funds or is it a ETF, what kind of securities they are dealing into. The investor should be aware of the facts. Transaction cost is the responsibility of the broker to make aware of the investor that each purchasing and selling of stocks will might take some transaction cost also into picture for the transactions done. Deposit and withdrawal. So they should help the investors, the broker should help the investors in depositing the margin money or depositing the money to purchase a particular stock, or when the stock is sold, withdrawing the money so that the money can be transferred into the account of the investors. Trading platform. Trading platform could be online. Instead of directly executing the trade by the broker, the investor himself can trade on trading platform, so that fact should be made aware by the stockbroker. Customer service. In case the customer has some query, complaints, request, the stockbroker should guide the customer towards the customer service of the stockbroking firm. News about market. Since the investment decisions are advisable from stockbrokers, so it's the responsibility of stockbroker to gather all the news by 8:30 a.m. in the morning. Suppose the market is going to start at 9:15, so by 8:30 all the news should be gathered by the stockbroker and should be distributed by the stockbroker to its investors, so that they can make more calculative decisions even before the market opens. In case some news has come up regarding their investment or regarding the company they have invested into, it's the responsibility of the stockbrokers to inform the customers so they can arrive at a decision to buy or sell a particular share, or maybe to hold a particular share. Next is your execution of orders. If the customer or investor has asked to carry on a particular order, it is the responsibility of the broker to execute that order on behalf of the client. Issue of purchase or sale note. So this basically proves the genuinity of the transaction. So the purchase note or sale note should be provided by the stockbroker for every transaction done. So they should be provided by the stockbrokers to the investors. Breach of trust. The stockbroker should not breach the trust of the investors. Every action of a stockbroker should be in favor of their client. Business and commission. It's always fair to reveal what business the investor is getting into and what are the costs related to those business. Commission is one of them. Business of defaulting clients. So in case if some clients are defaulting, they should be made aware, and the stockbroking firm stockbroker should make the others aware that this particular client is having default or is going to default. Fairness to clients. So there should nothing be hidden, something which is known to the stockbroker, and he should not keep it to himself, since that will affect his business, because he should be very much fair to his clients. Investment advice. Since all the fundamental analysis and technical analysis purpose, the client or investor is dependent on the stockbroker, so it's his responsibility to give a calculative advice. That's the responsibility of the stockbroker, to give a calculative advice to its clients. Duty of fair dealing. So make sure that whatever is the order that is given by the clients, those orders are carried out, and that's fair dealing. There should not be now the change in quantity or change in timing or any other motive behind earning more commission. You should not carry on a dealing on behalf of the client without his knowledge. Duty of best execution. Whatever is the best possible way to act as a broker for your client, it's the duty of the is the duty of the stockbroker to act accordingly. Customer confirmation before executing any order, be it buying or selling, the stockbroker should take proper confirmation from its clients. Restrictions on insider trading. If some insider trading is known to the stockbroker about a client or someone else, it's his responsibility to bring this into the knowledge of SEBI or the right authority who can deal with the insider trading thing. Because if that is not cut at that very moment, this is going to affect a large number of small investors and the overall faith of the capital market. Duty of loyalty. Stockbroker should be very much loyal to its investors or clients. Authorization for trading. A stockbroker should act on behalf of clients for buying and selling the stocks only if it is authorized to trade in that particular securities.